Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Hello, I am Ranaprava. Welcome back to my channel.
Today I will show you how to get this Sonam Kapoor look using your existing sari. Starting with what you will need. A sari, preferably in a lightweight fabric, and second, a similar dupatta. I am starting wearing my blouse and an underskirt. I have tucked in the sari one full round, and now you will take other end of the sari and start pleating it. Adjust the plaits. Then take this from the back and bring it in the front right side,
Like you will drape a Gujarati style sari.
and now pin the pallu to secure it. Next, take the dupatta and start tucking its one end right where your belly button starts.
Drape it around, making sure that you are taking it under the pleated pallu because we want the pallu to be on the top. Now tuck this dupatta on the left shoulder. Pleat the rest of the sari. And tuck it in at the center of the belly button. Adjust the pleats and secure it with a pin. Adjust the pallu on your left and you are done.
Make sure you pin both the right and the left pallu.
I love how this style makes you look something wedding designer. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoying the videos. Please leave your feedback and comments. Don't forget to like this video if you feel this video is helpful. Please subscribe if you already haven't, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.